Welcome to Aimiesen channel. Now we want to show you how this arrangement are with ploughing on the field before we put wheat corn. And now I want to start, and my wife come on a tractor and take a video how it functions. We take the end in the last because I have something to turn around in. I take the because I must have something to turn around. It's more easy for you to see when we come to the end. You can see how it is. You can sit here beside me on the tractor.
And when you start the tractor, can you explain?
Yeah, start here. And then I must have the tractor on zero. Now I put it down. Are you ready, guy?
Yeah.
Take care. It's really important that we have a nice ground for the wheat corn. This ground is ready to another machine now when I'm finished. Then we plant the wheat corn. On English, this one called plough. Take care, guys. When we come to the end, you can see why I have a line there to go on.
What a nice trade.
Kaffe, kaffe. Dejlig kaffe. And it's also important that you make it straight down there. Then it's looking better. The corn will grow anyway, but when the neighbor look at it, they will keep an eye on you. That's why I want to make it straight. Like there is a wire you drive after. Can you see it straight? And all the things you plow down here is good for the worms and all the things who live in the ground. You can see there is a lot of straw from last year. We plow up, can you see it? It's an old straw from the wheat corn last year. Can you see it? Now you can see there is a line here where I go to every time. And when the wheel is there, up, when the wheel on the plow is there, then up, there, can you see it? And when you go the other way, it's the wheel from the tractor. When the back wheel on the tractor is there, then it's the same when you do it the next way, because then you can plow it all down and have nice ground for it. Look here, how it's from here. You can look at the line here. Can you see the line?
Yeah.
What's the line that I'll make? And when you are here with the wheel on back on the tractor, down with it again, here. Then we drive. And the same speed every time, and the same down in the ground. 40 centimeter down on the computer here, then it's 22 here in the ground. And then the speed is 6.2 kilometers hourly.
There's a grass
Yeah, it's a grass or
sitting.
it come down next time when we turn around the machine.
Also, you are finished for planting there in the wet corn.
I'm finished there in this side, but I must fly all this. It'll take me 2 days. Don't think the ground is nice afterwards.
No, the grass is away now.
All the grass is away. It will never come up again because it's come down and lay down and rot, and it's a little bit like a fertilizer. You remember last year it was so muddy here.
Yeah. But you fix it.
Yeah, I have fixed the pipe here. We have pipe in all the ground here because there's a lot of water. Then the pipe takes the water out from the ground, especially down here. They will stand a lake if for water because it's a little bit down here.
Wait, man, can I open the window here?
Yeah. You can open here.
Can you?
And don't fall out. Don't fall out. I drive slowly when we come to the hole in this one. We drive about 6 kilometers hourly. That's the speed for feed for it. And again here the same when I come to the line I make here. Can you see it?
Yeah. Wait, I go down.
Yeah, but
I take a video.
wait, we almost have the microphone.
Yeah. Man, wait! You must go down first.
So I turn around. Now I turn around. They fit for the other side. it take me 4 hours. Then I go to the border there, and then I go to another field. Are they okay?
Yeah. So, my husband continue working now.
Bye-bye daw.
Yan. Nakikita mo kung gaano ka-straight. Yes. So hanggang doon pa ang tatrabahuin ni Mr. at doon pa sa aming malapit sa little forest namin nandoon. So yon yung likod ng bahay namin. Dito. Yan. La 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 la. Yun. Doon.